Commodity prices are inching up again, and companies in the metal space are speeding up their investment cycle. CNBC TV 18's Navin, Shetty and Farah Bookwala Vhora have the details.
Tata Steel may be working overtime on consolidating its assets in Europe and UK, but that does not mean it is not pushing the pedal to the metal back home, with demand expected to rise thanks to an uptick in the economy and the government's efforts to re-energize and protect the Indian steel sector. In the last 5 years alone, Tata Steel has invested 40,000 crore rupees to ramp up domestic steel production from 7 million tons per annum to 13 million tons per annum. This has helped its Indian operations hold up under pressure, and the company is keen on sustaining this trend.
For the next 3 years, we will focus on ramping up our Kalinganagar facility. It's already started production, and we've already guided that we'll be at least producing 1 million tons out of Kalinganagar. As far as Jamshedpur is concerned, we've already got the environment clearance to take it to 11 million tons from 10 million tons. So we're working on the plans for that.
The relative success of the steel sector has aluminium players pushing the government for safeguards of their own. They argue that since nearly 50% of the metal available in the Indian market is currently imported, domestic manufacturers are hurting.
The government actually in the last budget increased the aluminium duties by 2.5%, so it's 7.5% now. Then we started on safeguard. That is in process. We are actually looking at CVD, which is the countervailing duties against specific countries.
This does not mean companies are waiting for the government to take action.
What we're focusing on this year is taking the capacity we've already built and basically commission those lines. So right now we're focusing on line number 3.
Zinc manufacturers have a different problem. While demand is growing, resources are not. So with zinc prices rising steadily, companies are working to scout for mines outside India. Vedanta, for instance, is placing its bets on its integrated Gamsberg zinc project in South Africa.